We are pleased to show you the 2025 F-250 Super Duty. Head-to-head fuel efficiency, head-to-head towing, head-to-head torque. Ford F-250 Super Duty. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: backup camera, anti-lock braking system, steering wheel audio controls, tow hitch, stability control, keyless entry, remote engine start, Bluetooth, adjustable steering wheel, power steering. Come see the car for yourself.